Now here in Malibu, this one's got a power inverter. So to turn the power inverter on, you just hold the power button on, and that turns it on. Tells us we've got 100% battery. It'll there tell us the load on it and what your battery level's at. When you're not using the power inverter, you do want to turn it off because it does use power in standby mode. So to turn it off, you just hold the power button again, and that turns it off. All right. And that's just, we've only got select power points that work with the power inverter, so they are single power points. There are one on this side in this bed nook here. There's one here, and there's one in the behind the pantry to run the microwave. So you just got to unplug the microwave and plug it straight in. Just in there, you can see the single power point. Here in big blue, we've got the power inverter. So to turn that on, you just want to flick that switch there in the on position. That display tells you how much battery voltage, that sort of stuff's in there. You want to come over to this switch here, and you're going to pull that all the way down, and that turns the whole van on with 240 volt power. So you can run any of your power points, or your microwave, all that sort of stuff. It will run the aircon, but do not run the aircon with it because it's not designed to run through the power inverter. It will only run for about 3 or 4 minutes, and it's just going to flatten the batteries very, very quickly. So the aircon can only be used with a generator or 240 volt mains power. When you finish with the power inverter, whatever you're using, toaster, kettle, whatever it happens to be, just turn the switch back in the off position and turn the power inverter off because it does use power in standby mode and it's only discharging batteries for no reason. And just in this big blue, we do have the third battery underneath the bed and the power inverter. So we've got 2 batteries on the outside, one on the underneath here with the power inverter and all our other goodies here. So this one here has 300 watts of amps of battery power and 300 watts of solar on the roof.